Get the magic squirt into it. Come on, you little blighter. You can do it. Told you could do it. There you go. Tractor is now started. Lovely, great big hefty tractor thing that this is. Look at it. Oh my god. Power. I did actually move the car, which I thought was a bloody sensible idea. Jess is great at driving anything, but is getting the forks up. And now he's going to reverse it. I'm trying to work out whether he wants me to go behind him or not. I don't know if I should. Hang on. He's going backwards, he's going backwards. Nothing to worry about, because my car isn't in the way. It's all right, it's all good. All good. Dare not go behind him, because that would be a masochistic thing to do. Can you come down this way? Bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back. Just go straight back then. Loads of room. Keep going. Yeah, keep going, you're all right. Nothing in the way at all. Stop. That'll probably be good, won't it? Well, you can go back a bit more. You can go back about that much. Stop. You're on the you're on that bit of wood now. You're on a little bit of wood. You're on a. Hang on. Oh fuck. No, you're on. That's fine. It's good. You've got a bit of. You've got a log of wood. Okay. About that long. About that. That's the only thing that's in your way at the moment. You've got a metal piece underneath you about another foot back. If you move that, then you could go back a bit further with it. I mean, you can go over it, but then that's what you're going to be doing. Possibly, yeah.